Hey guys, so let's play with dispatcher. So you will get a better idea कि why dispatcher is important and dispatcher how dispatcher is impactful. Okay, so I take this particular. Okay, I think I have to make me float on top. Okay, so in the previous video we discussed what is dispatcher. We installed dispatcher in our local. Now we play with dispatcher. Okay, so this is the particular dispatcher file. We have vhost, and in vhost we have weekend.vhost. In that weekend.vhost we are just doing some changes. And even this, even if you know basic of any language, it's pretty English, only English you need to understand the configuration. It's just a configuration file. Okay, so suppose what I did, I blocked all the CSS. Okay, how I blocked all the CSS? See, location match. If any location, if any request that having .css in it, I just required all denied and look. That's all. If I try to access the page, it's all without CSS. So dispatcher C. What is the rollout? You have to just block all the CSS. Just this is the one command that you need. Okay, I just remove this command and just restart the container. Okay, now just hard refresh this page. See, all the CSS is back. Okay, if you know this strange, this is in error, which is the 300.html page. Okay, this page is actually do not exist. Okay, so basically we have lot of errors, so 403 and all that, and we do not want to create a specific page for all of this. It's a hectic task. You have needed some developers and all that. So what you can do, you can just go I on just go on here. You have to just in your mod rewrite rule, you have to set some rewrite rules, which is stating to a page and 403. Suppose we have a 403 error, we have created a rewrite rule for 403, and suppose we have one more error, which is suppose 501 501. Okay, just a random things. Okay, just I need to restart my container, and if I try to access now 501, you can see it is not found. Okay, and if I try to access my one of the page which I created, I think 300, even all the pages that is not visible, I think it will come in row not found. Yeah, because it indirectly accessing to that. Okay, so we can change it to, we are just playing with it. It's just playing video. Okay, so this is the rule. What we saw in this, we block, a dispatcher can block CSS, any file that need not to be accessed on that particular site at that particular moment. Suppose you have website gonna some attack or something, and you just wanna block JS or block CSS, do something that do not people get access. You can just type a command, and on the whole site people do not get but thing access. Just rewrite rules. So dispatcher is, suppose it's a block, it's a wall between your server and your publisher. If you know dispatcher very well and configuration very well, you can protect your site faster. Okay, and one thing more, dispatcher is also some serious issues. Suppose you get some set some permission which is not need to be enabled, and someone knows okay this particular permission is enabled, and we can access their site some internal data. Because publisher is somewhat laggy in the concern of security, we need to handle tight security on dispatcher level. So suppose you do something and some give some permission which is not to be given, and someone knows it, like query builder one. It's a very big issue of query builder. We can discuss some way back. Okay, and you can then, it's a very big case and you can lost a lot of data and money and all that. So yeah, dispatcher must Dispatcher configuration must to be taken care and all that. But it's just a big talk. It's like 1% of chance it is happening and all that, because everything is taken care and people just I don't think people give lame permission without any logic. Okay, so okay, we can do some more experiment if we want. Okay, let's ask to AI to do this for us. So can you please give some filter to block my IP from this dispatcher? And my IP is what? Check my IP. My IP. So I can't access this particular page from my IP. So my IP is this. Okay. This is a very good use case. Suppose you have to block some IPs and you can do it via dispatcher. Okay, just active editor that, just keep it and save it and just restart this thing, and let's try to access this page. Okay, okay, I'm still able to access it. Strange. Okay, I think there is something I need to check, but I still able to access the page. Is my IP is correct? I restarted the container too, right? Yeah, I restarted the container too. So let's try to access the page. Okay, I didn't blocked. Let I try to access some good pages. Okay, it didn't blocked me. I don't know. I have to debug it. It might be something is not correct. Yeah, it is saying you can place this inside directory doc root and all that. Hmm. Require not IP. I think something is wrong with this. We have debated, but it's a lot of things that you can play with dispatcher. Okay, in this next video, we are discussing about some more good about this, like dispatcher logging, how you can log the dispatcher, because logging is very important to debug the issues, and all the file structure like conf.d and all that, and if you deep down the rewrite variables and what it is, it's just pretty basic, but we can study about it. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like it, keep subscribing and share to all your friends, and thank you. One thing more, in the last video we saw the particular cache is not visible, and after a while it's gonna visible when I stop recording the video. So this is the thing, like this is the way the particular cache is stored inside your dispatcher. Even on cloud it's same. So it is basically just a normal file system in which your cache is stored. When you invalidate or clear the cache, just it delete the whole thing from here. That's it is happening behind the scene, because at the end it's just computer RAM and SSD HDD happening and doing behind the scene on all the times. So okay guys, thank you.